The golden pheasant is a small game bird native to the forests of western China, but naturalized populations exist throughout the world. Weighing about 1.4 pounds, 630 grams, with a wingspan of about 28 inches, 70 centimeters, it is named after the male's golden crest and is also known as the Chinese pheasant and rainbow pheasant. The adult male is approximately 35 to 41 inches, 90 to 105 centimeters in length. More than half of this length is its tail. It is very distinctive and colorful, with a golden crest and rump, along with other bold colors, including red, mahogany, blue, purple, yellow, and black. The female is smaller, about 24 to 31 inches, 60 to 80 centimeters. Long, females generally lay about 8 to 12 golden brown eggs that take about 22 days to hatch. Young are independent in just 14 days, and it takes about 2 years for them to become reproductive. In the wild, golden pheasants can live more than 5 years, although most won't make it to the age of 3.